My DIY home improvement journey, 40 plus years of building skills, confidence, and legacy. Hello, my name is Ken Conley, owner of Conleys Home Improvement and a home improvement do-it-yourselfer. In this video, we will discuss the following topic. My DIY home improvement journey, 40 plus years of building skills, confidence, and legacy. This isn't just another DIY story. This is a journey that started decades ago. In a junior high school shop class with nothing more than basic tools, raw materials, and a willingness to learn, while others chose different paths, I found myself drawn to the craft, the smell of fresh cut wood, the sound of tools shaping something from nothing. And that's where I learned one of the most important lessons that carried me through 40 plus years of home improvement. Measure twice, cut once. In this video, I'm going to take you through how that simple mindset, combined with patience, consistency, and hands-on experience, helped me build not just projects, but skills, confidence, and a legacy. Whether you're just getting started or you've been doing DIY for years, there's something in this journey that can help you take your skills to the next level. So let's get started. While in junior high school, just like other kids, I played sports, but I also liked the smell of fresh cedar and the steady hum of a table saw. Those early days taught me that DIY home improvement is more about patience than fancy power tools. I learned the vital habit to measure twice and cut once. This careful approach became a solid foundation for 4 decades of manual work. Instead of seeking quick fixes, I gained a deep respect for honest craftsmanship. Every renovation project became a way to sharpen mental focus and refine manual dexterity. True skill is earned through consistent effort and a willingness to learn from every mistake. Over time, these small lessons transformed into a massive library of knowledge. I realized that building a legacy starts with a single and well-placed nail in a humble workshop. Key takeaways. Foundational expertise began with 1970s shop class basics. Patience and accurate measurement are more vital than expensive equipment. Respect for tools and safety creates a better work environment. Consistent manual practice builds confidence over 4 decades. A lasting legacy is constructed one project at a time. Mindset and craftsmanship are more important than digital branding. Looking back, it's amazing how it all started. A junior high school shop class, a few basic tools, and one simple lesson: measure twice, cut once. Over the years, that lesson turned into something much bigger. It became patience. It became discipline. It became a mindset, because DIY home improvement isn't about having the newest tools. It's about putting in the work, learning from your mistakes, and getting better with every project you take on. Every board I cut, every wall I painted, every project I completed added another layer of experience, another level of confidence, and another piece to the legacy I'm building. And here's what I've learned after 40 plus years. You don't need to be perfect to start. You don't need expensive tools to succeed. You just need the willingness to learn, the patience to improve, and the discipline to keep going. Because in the end, legacy isn't built in a day. It's built one project at a time, one lesson at a time, and one step at a time. So if you're ready to start your own DIY journey, pick up the tools, trust the process, and start building something you can be proud of. And if you found value in this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow Conley's Home Improvement, where we don't just build projects, we build skills, confidence, and legacy. See you in the next video. Conley's Home Improvement, making your home look good one project at a time. My DIY home improvement journey, 40 plus years of building skills, confidence, and legacy.